So I'm really looking forward to this year's art trail, and I'm just going to give you a brief introduction about my process when I'm out photographing. I do a lot of still life also, based at home mainly, but a lot of my time is spent outdoors, walking in woodland, larger forests, in quarries. And what I'm often searching for, mainly in my own photographs, is a sense of atmosphere in a space and how that is affecting my emotions. And the atmosphere can be caused by the light, mainly by the light that is hitting that space. This leads me to think that within nature there's like a spiritual aspect. I really try and find this within my photography. I try to find the atmosphere, the spirits that I feel are present and around us within nature. All the light shining through in the different spaces. And interestingly, what I find is when I go on walks to the same place, the same forest, maybe I've not been there for a year and I go back to that space, I am always drawn to the same space because of the light and the atmosphere that that space brings to me, which I find very interesting from a photographic point of view. My work is also very much based around environment preservation and a real need to preserve our forests, our natural landscapes. I've been a keen environmentalist for many years, and I'm really glad that it's becoming a little bit more mainstream now. I'll be selling work and exhibiting some of my pieces at Beeston Dental Practice on Devonshire Avenue, which is venue M. Please do come and meet me, and I'm more than happy to talk to you about further ideas and my process in photography.